Hey everybody, Chad here. Just wanted to clue you in on something fun and interesting I've got going on right now. As you can see back behind me, I just went to the apiary store, the bee store, to get another frame because we have our bee packages that are coming on Wednesday of this coming week. Today is Thursday. So next week we got our bee packages coming, and because I was given a swarm, we need one more hive. But literally, when I was at the bee store, I got a call from my neighbor, or my friend who gave me the original swarm, and he said the same neighbor of his that he got the swarm out of his yard has another swarm in his yard, and he asked me if I wanted to come get it. So I said, yeah. So I'm going to go try and get a swarm of bees. I've got the box and my bee suit and the things that I need, that I think I need to get this here swarm of bees. So I'm almost there. Wish me luck. Maybe I'll try and film some of this, and let's see how it goes. And hopefully I don't get
in a quarter mile, turn right onto...
Okay, so we're here. I got my box of goodies, and there is the swarm of bees. Looking pretty bee-y there. Not a real big swarm. Probably a lot of bees oot in a boot. You're supposed to kind of let them crawl into your box like after the fact and do what they're going to do, but it's going to be get them out of the tree here. Bee on me. Get them out of the tree and take them back, put them in a hive. So wish me luck. All right, so I'm all suited up. Got the bee veil on, got the whole suit. The process is basically break those branches. I have some snippers, put them in the box, tape up the box, and run. Here we go. All right, and that is that. Hopefully that hyperlapse worked. I got most of the bees in there. You're never going to get them all. I think I got the queen. I let the box just be open for a while, so hopefully the queen is in there. There's still, some that are around. It was a little bit terrifying when the branch broke and all bees everywhere. I did forget my little snippers that I thought I grabbed, but I didn't. I got a sting in the leg when I was kneeling down. One must have got in my suit, so that wasn't overly fun, but it, whatever. It's really not that bad. So now it's time to get out of here and go play with some bees. Dump them in a hive. See ya. Okay, now we are home. I got their hive all level and set up. So there's the top board. On top of the top board it's going to go the feeder, and then on top of the feeder is the lid. So now we get to open up the box of angry bees and basically do the same thing in reverse. We just open it up and then dump them in that hive and ask them nicely to go down into the frames and then stack it on there. So let's do that. All right, here we go. So the bees are dumped out of their box and in their hive. So they're supposed to crawl down into the frames, which I do see them doing. I'm gonna get my bee brush and I'm just kind of inspecting them right here, watching them, seeing what they do. And yeah, most of them are definitely, you can kind of see down in there, they're crawling down into the frames, which is what you want them to do. I'm gonna try and take out any of these take my bee brush, put my bee brush right there at the front. I'll put my bee brush back here. I want to take these leaves out. Don't want those. Don't want this little stick in here. Don't want that. And really that's about it. So I'm kind of looking at them right here, seeing how they look, kind of looking for mites. Any mites on there? Don't really see too many, which is good. I see a few, which is to be expected. But yeah, so that's how you do that. That's my first time, so I'm assuming that's how we do that anyway. So now I'm going to take this. I'm going to need both hands. So you put this on top. Then we put the feeder and then the lid. There's a drone. Look at that big old dude bee. Only has one use in life. Alright, so I'm going to shut her off. Well, maybe I can kind of coerce the bees off of the edge where they could potentially get smooshed. Nobody wants to smoosh the bees. And so getting them off the side. If I had my smoker, which I should have gotten, if I would puff some smoke on them, they would retreat down in there. But you can see as I kind of asking them nicely, they're flying away a little bit and the rest are going down. So I can only hope, cross my fingers, that the queen is somewhere in here, which I don't know. I would have to imagine she is. There's a whole lot of bees over here in this corner, so maybe Her Majesty is down there. Alright, let's see here. Whooshoo! Going for it. You try not to squish the bees as best as possible. Unfortunately, you kind of always end up squishing one or two. There we go. So we got the cap on, then the feeder, and then this. They crawl up through here, and then I fill the top full of simple sugar, full of sugar water. Another big drone. Look at that dude compared to the other one. So big eyeballs, big body. Basically has no function in life other than to go on a date with the queen. There we go. Make sure it's all nice and even and level. Looks pretty good. Put the lid on. Ugh. And there you go. That, as they say, is how you do that. So there's the beehive from start to finish. Hopefully the queen's in there. If she is, they'll stick around. If not, sayonara, they're out of here, in which case, no big deal. I got some more bees coming on Wednesday. But that's it. Hope you've enjoyed the bee video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and let me know if you have any bees. They're a lot of fun.